I've gotten a few things accomplished today. Let's see if I can remember everything. So those risers that the houses are sitting on the back side of the mountain, I finished painting those, which I think I only had one that I needed to finish painting, and I put those all back in their place. And then that new platform that comes off the front of the mountain onto the table, I've done a few things here. So I created my mountain facade to go on both of the sides. I hot glued that all together. Finished painting the sledding hill. Put my little sledders there so they're in front of the ski chalet like I wanted them to be. So one of the things I didn't like with this new platform is it looked like the little mountains, the mountain facades were kind of floating in between the two tables. So because there was nothing underneath it. Somebody had suggested to take a board and make like a mock table underneath the platform. So I found a board, but it is not wide enough. It just gives me an idea of what I want. Put that underneath the platform along with a snow blanket. So that does cover it up, and it is fixing the issue that I was having with this. I've hot glued most of the styrofoam together. There's still a little bit that needs to be, so like this front piece is not glued onto this, but these two pieces are glued together. These two are glued on, and I think I have a little bit back here glued on. Now, for the end piece to the tunnel, I am still thinking about that. We might run to a hobby shop and see if I can find one, because I know I've seen one there before. So a little bit of progress